Okay, we're back finally. Took a while. Took a while. Can't tell if the Wi-Fi is bad or we're just delayed. Gotta make sure it works. I love how this one is still streaming. What the heck? Okay, here we're testing. We're gonna draw some stuff, see how delayed the stream is right now. Okay, so it's about like 5 second delay, less than 5 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, so 5 seconds, less than 5 seconds, guys. Okay, perfect. Got you. Let me just mute this stream just so I can see this chat. I'm gonna be like, hi. Yo, what's up, guys? My first time streaming on YouTube right now. I've been streaming on Twitch. No result. Been streaming on Twitch for like 2 weeks plus. No result, but we're just gonna hop on YouTube and see what's up. Basically, day trading every day from Monday to Friday. Live trades. So yeah, we're gonna look for some trade. Started streaming right now because didn't really see anything in the morning, especially when the news came out. Nothing happened. Nothing changed. Not even sure where the market is heading, to be honest. I would expect to go up, right? But we got these two wicks on the 4 hour chart. How about 1 hour? 1 hour chart. I mean, 1 hour. Here's the thing. We're basically looking for this support. Price haven't even come yet. Came down yet there. I mean, it's above this, but it never came down there. We're hoping for price to come down here, pull like a wick or something, and then continue up, right? Or depends what happened, or just break through this and then reject, continue down. So right now it's not the time to, unless you want to gamble, you could trade, but now it's not the time to trade because I'm looking for longs, but also I'm looking if price hold this area that it haven't even yet came. There's a possibility price doesn't even go to this area and just goes up, right? But then it is what it is, right? We're just looking for price to come here and show us like a good support, then we could continue. Plus, this is on a 1 hour chart. I don't know if we have enough time to take a trade today before the market close, but we'll see. 15 minute, I mean, look at 15 minute, bro. It's insane. I mean, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like, it's just insane. What session are we in? We're in a New York session. Well, the New York AM session, like, stop. Lunchtime coming soon. But yeah, hoping price come down here. We got the imbalance area right here. Then price broke out, right? Came up. Now we're hoping for a support in this imbalance to prove that this is a support area. And then continuation. That would be dope. But also, there's a possibility we could just go down, come back and reject from here, and then continue down. So we're gonna have to watch. So even if we break below this, but we close at like a wick, like this is gonna be like a wick candle, it's still fine. As long as the body doesn't close below this line, everything's fine. So we gotta watch the body's not closing below this line, or else it's gonna switch. But also don't expect it like because the candle closed below this line, don't expect price to just continue down. They could fake it out too. So gotta watch the price. We also got this little imbalance, but uh, I mean it's so small. Can't even move it. Okay. Yeah, it's really small. There's a possibility price can wick to here, but more or less, don't really pay attention to this one. Looking at this one. We basically trade support and resistance. That's the most simple way to like avoid not losing a lot of trades in a row and making money. But also we have to have confirmation. Yeah, some people might take a long right here because of this wick. And yeah, you could go ahead, but like we never touched this imbalance. I mean, yeah, we touched this pink line right here. It's a big thing, but we're looking, especially on the 15 or 1 minute time frame. We're looking for we're looking for a small. We don't really care about these like 1 hour, 4 hour imbalance, big ass support area because yeah, they're there, but also at the same time on a 1 minute, 15 minute time frame, we're looking for the small ones. Those are the valid ones for us. Like price could come here, here, it doesn't really matter. Here it's still in a support area, right? But to be like precise and snipe price, we kind of have to focus on the little ones because if you just buy because price touched this and this was the thing, you have like a 16.5 pip thing. So the only way you double your money is it has to go 16.5 pip up. So and it's not impossible. It's possible 100%, but I feel like you guys would rather take like a 5 pip trade down and then 3x that instead of just 1 to 1 ratio. So yeah, so we're basically watching that. Plus, on the other hand, I mean, if you were like going for this, I mean, you probably long right here. You probably long right here, and you're still stuck, because these two basically touch, you know. Or even if you're short in this, I mean, because we have all this little area, right? We broke out of it. We broke away for liquidity. We have this little area. You're probably shorting from here, right? You're like, okay, this is all rejection, and possibly, yeah. But once again, price is not moving. The whole idea of trading is price to move. Holy shit, it got hot in here. Yeah, the whole idea of if we're trading is price to move your way aggressively, right? Or like in a way you don't want to get in here. I mean, this is just like wasting time, not sure where the price is going, and then since if you're short or long here in this area, you're basically glued to your trade. And the reason why you're glued to your trade because it depends on where you got in. You're gonna be like, okay, price is consolidating in my way, right? Someone that's long, they're gonna like, okay, we're consolidating my way. Someone that's short, okay, we're just rejection, We could just wait for price to come here, show some support, and then continuation up. You know, that's what we're looking. 1 minute time frame. Let's see what's going on here. 1 minute time frame is just menacing. I mean, it's just aggressive. I don't know. I like to trade 1 minute time frame sometimes, but bro, like it's so hard to trade this because look at all this. Plus, we could trade 1 minute time. We'll probably enter trade on 1 minute or so or something. But sometimes you could trade 1 minute time frame is good. Other times, I think 15 minutes would be better sometimes. Even though it's a longer time frame, it takes more time for that trade to take profit, right? At least, at least it's more clear, Like right here, this is what we see. Price came here, supported from this area, drop, made a W, little W here, got this imbalance here, broke out. This basically turns into a support. Well, it depends. We'll see. Price came up, and now hopefully price come and retest this area, and then continuation up. That's what we're looking for. There's a possibility price break this because due to them taking this liquidity, taking all going above this, there's a possibility of break there. But also at the same time, they've been stuck here forever, right? If they wanted to go down, they will come here, stop everybody out, and then continue fast down, right? They're just stuck here. So that means the high possibility is they're going to go up, right? So now we wait for a confirmation right here. Hopefully we get it before close, and hopefully we get it enough time for the price to move at least to this high, so we could capitalize on like a 3 hour trade with a 5 pip stop loss. So something like that we're watching. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but hopefully it's not that long, to be honest. I mean, once again, this is a 15-minute time frame, so it takes a while. When you go on the 1 minute, I mean, here's the problem. Same view, but now you have so much like more information, and that information is kind of annoying because you're gonna watch these little things like this area or like here area, like all these like too much information sometimes, right? When you're trading the 1 minute time frame, you kind of have to be like zoomed in and take trades like, okay, we're going down, long, short, blah blah blah, right? But because we can't really, I mean, we could trade this 1 minute time frame, but I don't really know what's going on, really. I mean, what am I gonna do here, right? I mean, we have support here, right? Why do we have a support here? Well, because of the 15-minute time frame. That's the only reason we got a support here, sort of. Well, if it turns into a support. So yeah, we're basically watching that. Yes, if we're talking about lawns, I would say probably like halfway. Not a guarantee, but like a fight ratio, something like that. Go for the highs. Would be a nice trade, 3.6R. I'm not saying price cannot go higher, but being reasonable in trading, then this is a really good trade. Trust me. Anything above 2R is an amazing trade. So something like this would be awesome. We just have to wait. Wicks, the wick could even be this, right? So that's why we wait. We wait for the wicks and confirmation, and then even if the trades start going up, then we enter and have stop losses like either here. Or it depends on how you want to put that stop loss. So in case price does go down and break the even lower, right? Then I guess they didn't want to go up, right? Hey, it happens, right? But we don't want to put a trigger here and then come down here and then they wick and stop us out and then continue up. You know what I mean? We gotta wait for confirmation. That's the problem with a lot of people trading, even myself. Like you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta be patient. Sometimes it sucks. I mean, like you see a lot of I bet you a lot of people took a long here, possibly, on this little wick, this candle, right? This 15-minute candle close. They're like, okay, they rejected from here, they're probably gonna go up. But guess what? Now we have this candle, right? So now it's like a fake out, sort of, right? So you know, if you took a long here, your stop loss is here, you're about to get stopped out. You know, so that's why you wait. Here, we'll put this a little bit lower. I'm just gonna take this because this is not a trade we're taking yet. Also, here going back in time, yesterday I took a nice trade. I mean, it was two trades, right? I mean, the take profit was right here. I actually closed it right here. The reason I closed it because we had this aggressive candle, right? Out of nowhere, no news, no nothing, just an aggressive candle. So I was like, and then price was a little bit like hesitating. I was like, you know what, I'll just close it, right? So it was basically, well, this one was it was less than a 2 hour because I basically moved the stop loss up a little bit to risk way less. But yeah, almost a 2 hour trade. And I wasn't even trading on a 15-minute. I was trading on a 1 minute time frame. So when you go on a 1 minute time frame, you see, I had an aggressive move for no reason. So yeah, I kind of got lucky here for closing up here. I mean, I was targeting the highs, so you know, sometimes you know stuff like that happens. Damn, the whole Wi-Fi going to shit. uh, I could take these big imbalances out, but I like to keep them, even though sometimes it is a little bit annoying. Or maybe you know what? I'll just take this one out. Like I'll just where is it? I'll just like lock it out, move a little bit higher so I know which one it was, and I'll just lock it out just for the purpose of making everything simple. Because this is more like we took it out and then we kind of came back and supported. We don't really need it because if price does go below this line right here, right? Then yeah, I mean this line is basically the bottom of the imbalance, and the top is like somewhere here, right? I think the top is like literally right here. Wait, let's check. Yeah, basically right here. This is the top of imbalance, the big one. So we're good. We know the idea. This thing we're keeping. I mean, we could take this out too because we have this big box, but I'll just keep this one in case because we had a nice support area, and then it kind of turns into resistance unless we actually come here support and break out. This little area we straight up broke out, so I would expect them to, even if we do go up, come here and then retest, maybe come back here and retest and a continuation, something like that, or just straight up break out. Okay, why am I going on in 1 minute? It's almost 11 o'clock, so then we have like 5 hours before close. It's gonna be hard to make money because the close is right here. Let me see. This is basically close. This is like the end of trading session for this week. Still a possibility for like them to have like a work, another work, continue, and maybe get to the high, or maybe get halfway at least. That would be something. Plus, sort of looks like a bullish scenario because we broke this, but also at the same time we know they usually sometimes do this breakout and then continue down, but support area. I mean, it's not support, but it's like it's not moving price aggressively. It's holding price in the area, so maybe consolidating, right? But I stop everybody out here. Here, let me just take this alert out just so it doesn't make noise. Let's see. We could take this out. We don't need this. I mean, now it's a little bit more simple, right? We don't have that pink thing right here. So now we know this is the low, right? This is liquidity under this, basically the low, right? If this break, this is going to be like a big break of structure area. So we got to watch this. And then we also have this little area that we're hoping for price to reverse. Once again, if price aggressively moves here, not the best. We want like a nice rejection. It could be like this could be the rejection actually, and then next candle just go off, right? But I don't really want to take a trade because I don't want to take a trade and then just aggressively move down, right? I rather wait, even if I have to get somewhere here, it's fine. I'll just have a stop loss right here and maybe do a 1-to-1 ratio to the end of the day, because I don't know if they're gonna break the highs today. They might do it next week, beginning of next week, but not today. I don't think they have enough time unless they really aggressively move. Other case scenario, we break down here and then we reject. But then if that's the case, then target this area. This is going to be the next area to target. Or lows here. Let's check the 1 minute time frame. Maybe I should have just looked at the 1 minute time frame. Oh yeah, yep. Yep, should have been on the 1 minute time frame, not the 15. Basically, there's a possibility. I think we might take a trade on a little account, personal account. Okay, we'll just have this little trade on a personal account. Nothing crazy. Where's the... Okay, if it goes lower, hopefully I didn't YOLO in, you know. Okay, so this is basically a 1 to 2 ratio. Yeah, so here's the thing. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't go lower, but this is either this is a fake out wick and they're gonna do like a wick here, or this is actually the real deal. Because on the 1 minute time frame, it actually looks like a real deal. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't look at the 1 minute time frame. Because on the 15-minute time frame, I was like, you know, it's just whatever. But 1 minute time frame kind of says a different story. I mean, they aggressively moved from here, so that means this might be a support. Now, now we either come back to these imbalances and like retest them. So maybe this wasn't the best entrance. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but uh, yeah. And we'll target. Why did I put this? I thought I was targeting the top. We'll target the top. What is the top 996? Wait, this is a stop loss. What am I fucking doing? Okay. hmm I take a trade on my personal account sometimes first, just to have a confirmation, like in case this was the bottom, right? You know, I'll make some money, right? But if this is not the bottom, then I want to see price do something before going, and then I'll take a big trade. But other times I do take big trades. I, I would have took this big trade if I saw this first candle right here, right? The problem is I missed this first candle. I saw this candle and it was a, you see, I entered right away basically, right? And look how high I got, right? And all because I was looking at the 15-minute time frame. Like I was looking at this and I was expecting another candle with a wick. This was the this is probably is the candle with the wick. So yeah, basically now the only way I'm gonna take another trade with on a bigger account if I see something like a support, because we have these imbalances, right? If I see like support, you know, then I'll take another trade, 100% possibly. But right now we're basically in this little trade. We'll just do this. This will be the high. This is a 2.7 hour trade if it goes through. Yeah, I would kind of expect the next candle to work a little bit here too, possibly, unless this candle close could be a fake out, like I said. But on the 1 minute chart, it looks fine. It looks good. The hourly looks fine. I mean, it did touch this area, right? That's what we want. 4 hour. I mean, 4 hour is 4 hours. We did break this. You see. I mean, but I think the 4 hours kind of broke that thing a long time ago, so it don't matter. Okay, and now okay, we're watching. Okay, we're watching. Where's our little rocks? Okay, this is this imbalance area, the bottom one. Let's see how the price reacts here. I mean, we're coming to this one. If price react with like, you know, want to go up, then there's a possibility for another trade to be taken. I would just want like a little wick to touch this, or price just goes up. And now I don't know. I'll wait for the little wick if it's even gonna happen. Might not. Okay, gotcha. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I don't want to YOLO on the other accounts. Might be a great idea, might not. I don't know, but I I want to see some respect here. I would rather have price come and like wick here, touch this area and respect it to go up. That would be like more. I would be more confident in going in with the bigger account. This is still good, but this would. It doesn't even have to go touch this, but I'm just saying this would make the confidence level a little bit higher. So that's that. And look at this. I was talking about the 15 minute, and we're out here on a 1 minute time frame trading. So basically, 15 minute time frame is really good to find those like bigger like 15 minute imbalances. And when price is near, then go to the 1 minute time frame and see how they react. Because I mean, look at this shit. Like the 1 minute, you probably could have gotten here if you saw this aggressive reaction. On the 15 minute, it's hard to see that. I mean, we just had a wick, but what does that wick mean? You know what I mean? So look, 15 minutes, we just have a wick, right? It's like, oh my god, they're gonna come back for the wick, right? But here we have went up, supports, I hope so, or probably come here to support and then continue higher. We'll see, we'll see. We also have to watch this little area because it is like a little resistant area. But if they want to, they could break out. Mm, This candle does look really aggressive, Sean. Maybe there's a chance they could just break out and go for this area. What is this? 2.7. This 15-minute candle looks nice. I'm gonna tell you guys, it really looks nice. We'll see how the next one plays. Either the next one continue with the momentum, or no. If the next candle like aggressively push into this area, we might move the take profit here just for the sake that there's a possibility they will break this hard and come back here. But we'll see how the next one, unless the momentum slowly dies out, then they might struggle to come here or something like that. I would actually even I feel like they gotta come here or something. Even if they go here, they might come here, break this, and then continue. Or we just have a crazy push up, Anything can happen in trading. The whole idea to be confident with your trade is to know why price would go into an area. For example, why would price come here, right? Like, for example, if I didn't have this and price went, I would be like, oh my God, I'm about to get stopped, right? Or maybe price just want to, come here to bounce, right? You don't know. If they don't want to go up, they'll just go down. So we can't just go up. We gotta, hit some support area. This is one support. This could be like another support, like a little support, 1 minute time frame support. This is a 15-minute time frame. Every time frame has a different support and resistance. So, is anybody watching the stream? If somebody's watching the stream, please leave a like so we could get at least one like on the stream. Because we have zero. I mean, I could like my own stream, but like it's not gonna do anything. It's just gonna make me feel like shit. Like I like my own stream. But if some random person liked my stream, bro, that would be awesome. So if you could leave a like, I mean, that would be appreciated. That one like, you could be the number. You could be literally the first one. Even though I have one subscriber, trust me, that's my other account, right? That's my other account, subscribing to myself, just to have that one subscriber. So if you want to be that first person that ever witnessed this stream and be the first person to leave a like on the stream or on anything, yo, feel free. You'll be number one. I promise you. Let's see how this price. So sometimes on the bigger time frame, you watch these. Like for example, price went broke this. They're probably gonna come down, right? Hopefully they bounce from here. And see how this goes. If they do bounce from here, like if they have a confirmation bounce from here, I'll take another trade. Uh, but I gotta see a confirmation bounce, not just a breakthrough. I don't want to see like crazy movement down, or else we're gonna get stopped out. You know. How is the 15-minute looking? I think we have a new 15. Yes, we do have a new 15. So a wick right here would be nice, and then continue higher. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, hopefully they don't recover this whole wick. Okay, we're in this area that I was talking about, but I don't really want to see like aggressive push. I don't want to enter on an aggressive push. I want to enter on like on a soft landing. So we're gonna wait for like 1 or 2 candles to give us confirmation. Is this the support we're looking for, or is this some sort of breakthrough? I mean, did it really touch that thing? I don't think it touched. Did, did it touch? Fuck no, did it? Is that a touch? What is that? 41? What is that? Oh, so it basically touched the thing. It basically, I think this one might go lower. Here, there's a possibility I'll take a, here actually. We bought at open 51, top loss 11. Okay, I'm not sure if this was a smart idea entering, but we'll see. Let's see if this holds. We enter another trade like 51, and then stop loss still the same, just to minimize the risk. Take profit, same level. Wait, what did wait, I'm confused. I swear this was different. What? Where? What? Oh, this is how I was streaming? Huh. Interesting. Okay. Is this what I think? I hope this is what I think it is. I mean, the bounce we were talking about. If this is 100% confirmation, then we should continue higher. Because we also have these, these imbalances they create that could turn into different areas. So yeah, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, I'm just testing the mic. Wait, I'll be back. Let this trade play out. See what happens. I'm back. Let's see what happens. Check the 50-minute. Okay. Hopefully the other 50-minute close like with this wick. 1 hour. Oh, we had a new 1 hour. Okay. That's good. 4 hour candle. Interesting. Now we basically watch. I mean, watch for like rejections and support. We'll see what happens because market change.